Welcome back to where we break down the latest trends in the real estate market. Today, we're diving into the current state of Ontario's housing market, analyzing how it's performing compared to last year, and exploring what the future might hold. With interest rates fluctuating and economic conditions shifting, it's a critical time for buyers, sellers, and investors alike. Let's get started. As of January 2025, the Ontario housing market is showing signs of stabilization after a turbulent few years. The average home price in Ontario currently sits at $850,000, reflecting a modest 2% increase from the same time last year. However, this growth is uneven across the province, with major cities like Toronto and Ottawa seeing slower price appreciation compared to smaller towns and rural areas. Let's compare this to last year. In 2024, the market experienced a 5% decline in average home prices, driven by high interest rates and economic uncertainty. This year, however, we're seeing a slight rebound, with inventory levels tightening and buyer demand picking up in certain segments. For example, the condo market in Toronto has seen a 3% increase in sales volume, while single-family homes in suburban areas like Hamilton and Kitchener-Waterloo have grown by 4%. One of the biggest factors influencing the market right now is the fluctuation in interest rates. After reaching a peak of 6.5% in mid-2024, the Bank of Canada has gradually lowered rates to 5.75% in an effort to stimulate economic growth. This has provided some relief to buyers, with mortgage affordability improving slightly. However, experts warn that rates could remain volatile in the coming months, depending on inflation and global economic conditions. Interest rates are a double-edged sword. While lower rates make borrowing cheaper, they also tend to fuel demand, which can push prices higher. Right now, we're in a delicate balance. If rates drop further, we could see a surge in buyer activity, but if inflation spikes again, the Bank of Canada may have to hike rates, which would cool the market. So, what can we expect for the rest of 2025? Analysts predict that the Ontario housing market will see modest growth of 3 to 4% in average home prices, driven by steady demand and limited supply. However, affordability will remain a challenge, especially for first-time buyers. Rental markets are also expected to tighten, with average rents projected to rise by 5 to 7% as more people delay homeownership. To sum it up, the Ontario housing market is in a state of cautious recovery. While prices are slowly rising, the market is still feeling the effects of last year's downturn. Interest rates will continue to play a pivotal role, and buyers and sellers alike should keep a close eye on economic indicators. For now, the key takeaway is to stay informed and be prepared for potential shifts in the market. That's it for today's episode of. If you're thinking of buying, selling, or investing in Ontario's real estate market, remember to consult with a trusted real estate professional and stay updated on the latest trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.